Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. First off, I just want to say Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a really good holiday season. This is going to be a cash stuffing of extra money that I had back in December. It's been really crazy trying to get stuff done in the past few weeks. I wanted to put out way more videos in December. I never did paycheck number 2 of December, and then we did get an extra paycheck in December as well. We had a third paycheck in December. I still haven't took the money out from that. I still have to budget that and then take the money out from that. So I'm a little behind. Usually when I do my videos, my son is at school, but his school did close down and they're doing virtual as of right now because of the new variant. And that's when I get a lot of my things done. And it's just been like really hectic and crazy. We had this big old snowstorm. I live on the East Coast, so that has been just crazy. Like things just has been just a little bit out of control lately. So yeah, I'm finally able to get things done while my son is at his dad's house. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put these over to the side. I think it's about 140 maybe, I think. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 145, 146, 147. So in total I had about 197, I guess. I did put 50 away towards my credit card. So my credit card, I have one credit card. It's about 590 left on there. And my minimum is $20 a month, but I do put 50 a check. So hopefully I can get that knocked down relatively sooner than later. So that's why I do have less money, but that is okay. So yeah. Okay, so I had to pull out my book, y'all, because I don't remember, of course, what I put, but we're going to start off with my savings first, and my savings is going to get a 20. So in my savings, I have 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,320, 40, 60, 70. So what I say, 1,000, 1,300, so 1,370, I believe. One of my goals definitely is to save more money in my savings. I did use a lot of it when I wasn't working, when I was in between jobs, and you guys know how long it takes for you to get on payroll and for you to actually like start working. So I want to definitely build this back up. And then my son's savings is also getting a 20. So now we have 100, 225 for him. And these are placeholders. So for me, every 100 I get, I end up putting the money in the bank. Some people do every 1,000 they get, they end up putting the $1,000 in the bank and doing a placeholder. But I do $100 placeholders. And then my mom is going to get a 10. I have been putting money aside to help with her car maintenance. That's not something she asked me to do. It's just something I decided I wanted to do for her. So yeah. And then Christmas is getting $20. I am saving for 2022's Christmas. So now I have 20, 40, and 50 starting off for Christmas for 2022. And I think that's, let me see. Beauty is going to get a 5. So now Beauty has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. And let's see, I think clothing, which is my son's clothing, I'm gonna do a 10 for him, so we can just start saving this because the weather is about to get nicer in at least 2 months. So now we have 20, 35, so $35. And I think that it's everything for here besides this $500 savings challenge. I had these leftover $2 here from something I bought recently. Okay, I'm gonna try to scratch it off with a pen. I don't have like a Sharpie anymore. My son used it and it dried out. So now we have $2. So now in my $500 savings challenge, I have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and then 77. So we have $77. So we have a long way to go, but we're almost at our first 100, which is nice. So I believe that's everything in this binder. And then so for this binder, I am going to be doing emergency. That's also another envelope I want to build up is emergency. So now we're doing a 10, so we have 30 in emergency. And then medical and dental, we're going to start off with the 10. I keep emptying out these envelopes, so I am trying my hardest to put these, I'm trying my hardest to stuff these back, you guys, but I keep going into my envelopes. So yeah. Josiah's birthday is getting a 10. His birthday is in June, so in 6 months. So I just want to make sure we have money for, you know, gifts and a little outing. So now we have $30. So my clothing envelope is getting 10. I believe these last two 10s. Yeah, so okay. So my clothing envelope is getting these last 5s to make 10. So now we have 20. 5, 35 in clothing. I did order new envelopes. I think it may get here in like a week or two. So yeah, that's gonna be really cute. So yeah, that is everything. I'm so happy when money is gone. That means you did something right. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you to everyone who watch it, who thumbs it up, leave me a comment. I've had a lot of supportive like family and friends. Even if you don't understand it, they still comment, and I really appreciate it. And so yeah, I definitely hope to be more consistent within this year with just getting videos out. Yeah, I hope you guys having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.